What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to install a keyless entry remote for a 2012 Chevy Tahoe. Here's the remote. It's a Dorman 99156. It is for the LTZ version and it has the window lift gate and the tailgate lift button, remote start. Has all that stuff. And for those of you who know, the 2012s cannot be programmed just at your house with the older models that have the reprogramming setting on the dash. I believe it was 2011 and up, could be 2012 and up, I'm not sure. But for those that are 2011 and up, you have to take them to the dealership, and it's costs about $200 for the remote and about another $175 to get it programmed, which is kind of way out of my price range. But luckily Dorman makes this kit 99156 and it comes with the programmer. Comes with it on the back. I got this on rockauto.com for very cheap. O'Reilly's wanted to charge me about $90 for the kit, and I was like, nah, I'm pretty sure I could find it cheaper online, and luckily I did through rockauto.com. They had it for about $56 plus tax. Would have been like $62, and shipping and handling, something like that. But I had a little discount promo code that gave me like 10% off or 5%, I can't remember. So I ended up getting it for $55.09, which isn't a bad deal compared to the dealership. They wanted $200 just for the remote. It's ridiculous. But let me get this thing open and then I'll show you how to install. Okay, guys, so the first step it wants you to do, it says close and lock doors. So let's go ahead and close these doors. The next step it wants you to do is insert key into ignition and turn to ignition on. Do not crank. So let's go ahead and turn these keys to on. Let the computer run. Insert programmer into your vehicle's OBD2 port. Alright, so for those of you that own a Chevy, I'm pretty sure you know where your OBD2 port is at, and it's going to be here on the bottom. And let me get my hands under here. Alright. Got it in there. Heard a little bit of a beeping. It says remote key learning active. It says once the programmer is inserted, wait for a chime or orange light on the programmer to come on. This will indicate that the unit is ready to program the first remote. Press and hold the lock and unlock button on the remote simultaneously until you hear a chime, buzzer, or the door lock cycle approximately 10 to 15 seconds. So here I am holding the lock and unlock button, and there it beeped. And there the door is locked and unlocked. So let's see if it works. Oh yeah, look at that. A little bit out of focus here. It's getting hot here in my car, so I'm gonna get out. And once you program this remote, you're supposed to program the rest of the other remotes. And I believe you have like 2 minutes to do it. And then that light will turn red, and see how it's turned red? It means the programming has stopped. It'll be blinking red if it's like getting close to stopping the programming. But once you program the first remote, then you program the rest after that if you have multiple. Right now I only have one. And there it's telling me, I guess, that it's finished. Okay, look, it says when all remotes are programmed, wait 60 seconds for buzzer to sound continuously, then remove programmer from OBD2 port. So once you hear that loud, long buzz, chime, or whatever you want to call it, go off, and then it'll turn green. I guess that's whenever you take it out. Sorry about that, guys. That should have programmed it. Oh yeah. And it looks like the remote is working. Fair enough. Good little kit. That is the Dorman 99156 for all the 2000 and up, 2011 and up GMC, GM, Cadillac vehicles that need programming. You have to buy this little kit, 99156. This is the one with the window and tailgate remote buttons as well. So they do make other kits, but it's not this exact number, but they do make other kits that come with a program remote. Rock Auto has the cheapest ones, so I highly recommend going through Rock Auto.